This is Amber Zuxword from EpicSelf.com, and I'm here in my home of Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica, and I wanted to give you guys some Pilates and yoga-based alignment cues while you're sitting at your desk today. There's a massive epidemic happening in the United States and all over the world where all of us are sitting 8 hours a day, and unfortunately our backs and our breath capacity and our energy is really affected by the way that we sit. So here are some of my top tips. As a Pilates and yoga instructor, I use these tips every day with my clients. So when you're sitting at your desk, you definitely want to make sure that you have your 2 feet flat on the floor and that they're hip distance apart, which is only about 4 inches or about 2 fist distance apart. The knees ideally are lined up over your ankles, and your knees are also in ideal alignment with your hip socket. So from the hips all the way down to your feet, there's one long energy line. Next, you want to sit up as tall as possible. So I like to imagine that there's a crown on your head, and you're very proud of your crown, so you want to show that crown off and have it feel lifted to the ceiling versus compressed with gravity. So there's a space that we're creating between the vertebrae to prevent the discs from being compressed and causing pain, nerve pain over time. One of my other cues is to open the collarbone. So one of the things we do when we work on a computer is we hunch like this and our shoulders roll forward and get really tight. So instead, imagine there's a stick across your collarbones, keeping them flat and wide. The other thing that we battle all the time is forward head, where the head shoots forward like a turtle. You can imagine this area of your neck is going to get extremely tight, and the nerves will be clenched here, which will cause pain over time. And this also creates that hump in the back between the neck and the upper thoracic vertebrae. And so to remedy that, you want to bring your chin in versus here, and align your ears ideally over your shoulder joint. So if my ears are forward, I'm in forward head. If they're aligned, I'm in ideal alignment, and the energy can flow easily. I hope these tips have helped you guys today and made you more aware. Look forward to more coming up here on GreenMed Info.